Hello friends, today I'll show you how I made this peacock painting. I made this painting back in 2016 and it has actual peacock feather which I bought online. So first I got a plywood cut in the required shape. Then I used plaster of Paris to give the texture to the body. I kinda tried to give the 3D effect to the peacock face, neck and body part. I colored it with acrylic paint. I used blue, yellow, golden acrylic paint, and I left the peacock feather area as it is because I'll be sticking actual feathers here. I used a canvas as a base where I'll stick the plywood, so I colored it using acrylic paint and created a tree branch using plaster of Paris. Then I glued the plywood on the canvas and I kept coloring, blending acrylic on the background. Also, I colored a tree branch. Then I glued actual feathers over the plywood using a white glue. I also made feathers on head with blue thread sticking on toothpick. Then I made some leaves and flowers using plaster of Paris and colored with acrylic paint. When I was happy with final, I used acrylic varnish to secure the painting and it's ready to hang on the wall. Thank you.